Hello, Rhonda here with a glider workout showing you 4 basic exercises that work the legs, the glutes, and the abs. If you don't have gliders, you can also use tea towels. Yes, tea towels. Or dish towels. If you'd like to purchase these discs, there's a link in the description as where you can get them. Let's get started. One more thing, if you prefer to work out on carpeted floor, there are gliders specifically made to use on carpet. The link to these discs are also in the description. For our warm-up, we're going to start off with some squats, so bring your feet about hip distance apart or a little wider. Squat down so that your knees are tracking over that second toe. Just let those arms naturally swing back. Chin stays parallel to the ground. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's come into a wider stance, much wider than your hips. And then we're just gonna shift into some side lunges. Shifting your weight from one side to the other. Maybe getting a little deeper into that lunge with each repetition. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's heel toe those feet back in. And now coming into some back leg lifts. Just a little bend at the knees and alternating, lifting one leg back and then the other. And let's add some arms. Bring the arms out to the side for some lateral raises. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, bring both arms up. Bring one knee up and then the other. Hands come to the thighs, keeping that nice upright posture. Almost done with our warm-up here. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's go ahead and start off with our first exercise. Our first exercise is a side glide to the side, bringing all 4 corners of your right foot onto your floor, and you're bringing that leg out to the side, working the outer thighs, your abductor muscles. We're gonna do about 12 to 15 repetitions of each exercise. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's go ahead and bring all our weight into our left foot now. Our right foot's in the middle of the glider, and just bring it out to the side, abducting that leg. Again, making sure that knee tracks over the second toe. Three more. Nice. All right. Now moving into our second exercise, a back lunge. We're gonna place our left foot right in the middle of the glider. Our feet are about sits bone distance apart. We're dragging that leg straight back this time. Straight back. The feet stay in that parallel line. Again, we're doing about 12 to 15 repetitions. Four more. And let's go ahead and switch. Bringing your right foot right smack middle of the glider. Taking that leg straight back. Hips are square. Driving with those arms. Four more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Moving on to our third exercise, we're going to use 2 gliders. We're going to place both feet on the gliders, and then we're going to make our way down into a perfect plank position. Wrists in line with elbow, in line with shoulder. And then we're going to draw the knees in and away, in and away. Working those abs, strengthening your core. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Walk it on back. Roll on up. Go ahead and place both feet in the center of 2 gliders. We're going to come into a plank position, wrists in line with elbows in line with shoulders, nice long line from the crown of the head to the heels, and then we're going to just draw one knee in and then the other. We're going for 30 seconds here. Getting the heart rate up, working the core. You have 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's make our way onto our backs to work our glutes. We're gonna lay down onto our mats with both feet on the gliders. Arms out by your side. You're gonna lift those hips up into a bridge. You're gonna drag one leg out and then the other. Try to keep those hips level. We're gonna be doing about 10 on each side. You should be feeling this in your hamstrings. One more on each side. All right, go ahead and roll your spine on down. Back to the top of the circuit, gliding side lunges. Bringing all your weight into that right foot, slide, glide, that left foot out to the side. 12 to 15 repetitions. Four more. And let's go ahead and switch. All your weight into that left foot, right foot on the glider. Slide it out to the side, working those thigh muscles, those quads. Four more. Nice. All right. Let's go back to that left leg. Keeping those hips square, feet in parallel. Draw that left leg back and forward. Four more. And let's go ahead and switch. Right foot on that glider, hips square, dragging that right foot straight back. Again, those knees should be tracking over that second toe, that left knee, I should say. Four more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's grab our other glider and our mat. Toes in the middle of your gliders, coming back into that plank position, drawing the knees in and away. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get ready, set, and go. One knee in and then the other for 30 seconds. Keep your abs engaged. Head in line with that neck and upper back. Getting that heart rate up. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Let's go ahead and come back onto our backs for our bridge. Both feet on the glider. Coming onto your backs. Knees are bent, arms down by your side. Lift those hips up into a bridge. Drag one leg out and then the other. Working those glutes, those hamstrings. Try to keep those hips even. About 10 repetitions on each leg. Three, 2, 2, and 1, 1. All right, go ahead and roll your spine on down. Go ahead and stretch out that back in a child's pose. Reach those arms forward. Give it a little stretch. Come on to all fours. Come into a couple of cat-cows to release that back. Flexing and extending the spine. Nice job.